a great choice today with the 2015 Jeep Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, Bluetooth, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, 8 speakers, CD player, electronic stability control, compass, fog lights, trip computer, brake assist, tachometer, Uconnect hands-free group, driver vanity mirror, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.